All right, let's talk about how you can calculate the discount percentage in Excel. So here in our example, we have the price of some products, their discounted price, but in this column here, we want to display the discount percentage. So there's a pretty easy way to do this in Excel, and there's a pretty easy formula to go along with it. So basically, in the cell you're wanting to display the discounted percentage, you click on that cell and type equals to start a formula. And then you'll do 1 minus parenthesis the discounted price divided by the original price and parenthesis. Now, if we were to simply take the discounted price divided by the price, that's going to give us the percentage that the discount price is of the price, but not necessarily the discount. So that's why we need the 1 minus. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter. And then select that cell, go up to the home ribbon, go over to numbers, and select this percentage. And you can add or remove decimals with these buttons here. And if you select that cell and click the bottom right corner of the cell where that little square is, you can drag this all the way down to calculate that exact same formula for multiple cells. And there you have it. That's how you can calculate the discount percentage in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.